Hello friends, welcome again to this channel. So let us try to solve this simple problem with regards to the topic series RC, or the resistor and capacitor in series. So we have here a 160 microfarad capacitor and is connected in series with a 20 ohm resistor. So we are tasked to solve again the current when the voltage source is 230 sine 377 T volts. It is just reflected in this circuit diagram. This is a resistor in series with capacitor, so supplied by an alternating voltage source. Okay, so your R is 20 ohms. You have a capacitor of 160 microfarad, and then the source is 230 sine 377 T. So you are again tasked to get the current, total current. We know that IT, R sub T, is actually derived if you divide the total voltage source divided by the impedance, the total impedance. So we have here a given voltage source, which is E sub T, that is equivalent to 230 sine 377 T. Okay, for our total impedance, we have to get the ZT, which is R, since this is capacitor, so that will be negative J X sub C. This is the complex value of our ZT. We have already R as our given, so we have to look for X sub C. So X sub C is actually from the formula omega C, 1 over omega C. And omega is 377 because this is of the format Vm sine omega T. Okay? So we have 377. So we just substitute it here. Omega is 377. Okay, our C, or the capacitor, is 160 microfarad. So I multiply this by 10 to the negative 6 to convert it to farad. Now, if you have your calculator with you, you can right away solve for X sub C as 16.58. Now, using this format, so your Z sub T is 20 minus J 16.58. So therefore, you can solve for I sub T. So I sub T is E sub T, which is 230. Actually, this is cis of 0 degree because the angle here is 0 degree. Okay, so this is your E sub T. So divided by the Z sub T, the total impedance, which is 20 minus J 16.58. So we can convert this rectangular form to polar form. So it will give you 230 cis of 0 degree divided by the polar form of this rectangular form, 20 minus J 16.58 is 25. Manipulate your calculator, you press your calculator, and you'll get this one, negative 39.66, cis of negative 39.66 degree. So it is easier for us to conduct mathematical operation if it is in polar form. So your I sub T, you divide this one, so it will give you 8.85 cis of positive 39.66 degree. So therefore, your I, if you convert this to, this one is in polar form, convert it to rectangular forms, you can say that your I sub T is 8.85 sine 377 T is added by the phase angle 39.66 degree. So this is your answer, or this can be your answer also. So thank you.